Listen up, because this might be the most important message you hear all year. If you've ever dreamed of launching your own tech startup or creating a SaaS business, but thought, I'm not a coder, then let me introduce you to your new best friend, Replit. Replit is a revolutionary platform that lets anyone, yes, even if you've never written a line of code, build powerful, real, revenue-generating software. Think of it as your all-in-one digital workshop, where you can design, test, and deploy your very own applications right from your browser. No complicated setups, no tech degree needed, just you, your idea, and Replit. Now here's the exciting part. You can use Replit to create SaaS, software as a service platforms, apps that solve real problems and bring in money every single month. Set it up once, offer it on a subscription plan, and boom, you've got residual income flowing in while you sleep. We're talking business models that scale fast and pay you over and over again. But let's be real. Building apps is one thing. Making sure they work perfectly before you launch. That's where most people stumble, and that's where RAVE AI comes in. RaveAI.pro is the ultimate no-code AI-powered tool that analyzes your Replit app and finds bugs, flaws, and logic gaps before your customers ever see them. It's like having a pro-level dev team, QA tester, and debugger working for you 24/7 for a fraction of the cost. With Rave, your apps don't just get built, they get launched with confidence. So here's the deal. If you're ready to break into the booming SaaS economy without writing a single line of code, if you're ready to create apps that serve, sell, and scale, and if you want to build like a pro without spending a fortune on developers, start building on Replit. Then supercharge your success with RaveAI.pro. The tools are here. The timing is now. The opportunity, unlimited. Go build it. Then let Rave power it to perfection. Visit RaveAI.pro and take your next step to SaaS domination today.